Am I the only one who totally forgets to put the wet clothes in the dryer when they're doing laundry? Hey everybody, my name's Amanda, and I'm kinda new here. So today, I have clearance makeup from Walmart, which you may not be Walmart shoppers, but you know, I'm from the Midwest. That's what we do. So what I'm going to do is I've already got my face primed, and I'm going to do makeup, you know, because I can. But there are a couple things that I have not purchased on clearance for myself. I didn't buy powder, nor I already had these, and I don't use them much, so it's okay, right? Okay guys, we're jumping right into it. We are using the Beautifully Bare Smooth Matte Eyeshadow in the color Marvelously Mauve. I do take a brush that we got in BoxyCharm not that long ago from Crown and blend it out. But then I clean up my mess. Still blending. So the next thing I'll do is I'll go in with Nude Linen on the inner half, I swear I can talk, of the same Smooth Matte Eyeshadow and Beautifully Bare, but it's Nude Linen. I decided after a while I needed some shimmer. I ended up trying the brushed copper of the Molten Liquid eyeshadow, but it was a bit dry, and I went over that with the rose gold in the same formula of the Molten Liquid eyeshadow. And I'm putting that back in my thingy. See, there I am. I actually ended up blending that all over the lid and actually used it to highlight underneath the brow bone. Then I go ahead and I try my hand at a stick foundation from Flower Beauty. The line is SkinCognito, and the color is SF5. Sigma Foundation 5. I can't think of SF. I first tried to blend with a sponge and found a brush was best to do. And then I blend it out some more. Yep, blending. Then I went in with a cushion concealer from Kokie Cosmetics in the color 20W. I did find that tried to apply it with this, and then I set all that with powder from Wet n Wild. Then I did use the Aqua Infused Blush and Bronzer that I got from e.l.f. I saw Tati use this a while back, and I used both the blush and the bronzer. You see the bronzer now? You see, yeah, okay. Okay, so far, I am super pleased with my clearance makeup. I wasn't really sure how to approach using a stick foundation, and guys, I like it. I think it works better with the sponge, or not with the sponge, with the brush. My liquid eyeshadows from e.l.f. I swear I can hold things, just not today. So I swear with that these are fine. I think this gold one, the brushed copper, it's a little old and it probably just needs to get tossed. It doesn't stink or anything, it's just super dry. I liked these blushes and the bronzer so far. We'll see how everything holds up. And I like the concealer cushion. I think so far guys, I think everything has been a good color match for me. I am going to go ahead and this here is an Orchid Mauve. Oh, it says colorful coat tint. Whatever, I like it. It's a good color for the whole look. Guys, I'm going to set my face. I did use Wet n Wild to set the foundation and the concealer. We're going to use a little setting spray, and we're going to go with it today. So, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Check in with you later. Okay, guys. I totally forgot to do check-ins. Please forgive me. But, guys, I'm wearing it again today. I literally just put it on. But, I used the darker color, the Beautifully Bare Marvelously Mauve. I blended it all over, and then I put on, I believe it's the Rose Gold Metallic, one of these, this one. Yes, and guys, I really like this. In fact, I think this will be my makeup tomorrow. We'll see. All right, we'll talk to you later. Oh, what did I forget? Oh, yeah! If you like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And please, if you have criticisms, preferably constructive ones, don't be a dick. We're working on it. We're gonna, yeah, we're not perfect yet. Close. Just not there yet. Okay, guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye.